ATAK fans, in this video I'm going to cover the digital pointer tool. This is one of the more unique tools in ATAK that you don't hear much about. The digital pointer tool is much like using a laser pointer that is built into most remote presentation clickers. You're giving a presentation and drawing attention to a certain area in your presentation. Now imagine giving a briefing in ATAK where everyone is looking at the map on their own device and you are directing their attention to what you want them to look at. In this video, I have Team A device on top and Team B device below. The Team A device will be using the digital pointer while Team B device is watching. First, I will find the digital pointer tool and turn it on. Notice the instructional prompt that tells you to press the DP button to toggle between movable and pin state, and then long press to remove it. So I'm looking at this submenu here from left to right. I have the action with the small X that closes the digital pointer, the icon with the 1 in the crosshairs, which activates the digital pointer, which we just talked about, and the little globe that opens up the go-to tool. I covered that in another video, so I'm not going to go in it. All it does is drop a point somewhere on the map or pan the map to a location. So let's cancel out of that and start using the digital pointer. I'm going to click on that little middle icon, the one with the crosshair in it, to turn on the digital pointer. Now I'm going to press anywhere on the map to activate it. Notice on Team B's device, there's a line drawn from my location to where the digital pointer icon is. Now I can tap on Team A's device and that will follow along. I can also hold down and move it. If I want to get very pinpoint, I can zoom in, click on the icon, get the radial menu, and now I get this fine adjustment tool. I can click on that, and then I can move it around. We'll put it right here in the center of this pool. Hit confirm, and then as I zoom in on Team B device, you can see it's right here in the middle of this pool. Another thing I can do is from Team B device is click on the digital pointer tool and hit the lock icon. Another unique feature is this go-to tool within the radial menu. I can click on the digital pointer, hold down on the fine adjustment tool, and then click on this little globe icon, which opens up a go-to tool. I'm going to hit the address bar. It's going to give me the current address of where the digital pointer is at. I'm going to hit clear. I'm going to put in an address. Hit find and hit OK. And now it dropped the digital pointer tool on this building, and you can see on Team B's device, since it's locked on it, it will just slew the map right to where it's at. You can lock the digital pointer on by clicking the 1 icon. Notice the lock symbol. To unlock it, you click it again. Be aware this digital pointer will stay up as long as you have it on. If you close it out by clicking the little X, that does not remove it. It still remains on. Team B can hit the trash can and remove it, but it's just going to remove it temporarily and turn back on. The only way to get rid of it is for the person who's originally turned it on to open up digital pointer, unlock it, and hold down to remove it. Then they can turn it off and close it out. Well, I hope this was helpful in showcasing the seldom talked about feature in ATAK. Thanks for watching.